Hey guys, it's Jamie, and I'm going to show you how to use this paper as part of a mug. It's a combination of a couple things. So I'm using a wooden roller right there to create the texture on the lip of the mug. And then I'm using this rose embossed paper. And I've treated it with a sealer to help keep it firm. And now I'm just going to go through and add various other textures on top of it. So I like using the ruler as a way to keep the clay from spreading. I like keeping that straight bottom line. Although it doesn't matter too much because I'm going to put my template down and cut the whole thing out. So the template I'm using for these mugs, they're all going to be the same in these few videos that I'm doing, and that's 4.75 inches by 13. So I put the ruler down here to help when I'm cutting, just because a paper template, once I run the cutting tool along it a lot, it starts fraying the edges. So it's just easier for the tool to glide. So this is about it. I'm not going to show the assembly of it. I showed that in the first video, but I do have some glaze results coming up for you to see what that looks like. So please refer to the Star Jasmine video to see the actual assembly of these mugs. There are many resources online for embossed paper. So that's what you want to look for, is just Google textured or embossed paper, and then be sure to treat it with a sealer before using it. So that's it for this. I hope you enjoyed it. More to come with different textures for this style of mugs. And then I got a wonderful glaze result from this. It's T-Rex pink. Catch you next time.